Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to import and use your own samples in FL Studio. So when we are finished, it will look something like this, where you'll be able to go into your sample library, you'll be able to pick the samples that you want, drag them into the playlist and use them however you like. So in this video I will be importing my own sample library that I have here. Inside this folder I have 3 melodies that I have created myself. So as you can see here, if I go into melody 1, I have the sample itself and then the stems for the sample. I highly recommend that you keep all of your samples inside one main folder. It is a lot easier to import, access and use your samples if you have one main overarching folder that contains all of your other samples. So as you can see here, we cannot see the sample library folder that I had on the desktop here on the left side of FL Studio. We can see this my sample library, but this folder is my own sample folder that I use to contain all of my other samples, as you can see here. So the way that you can import your own sample library is really simple. The only thing you have to do is press Options, go into File Settings. Here you can see Browse Extra Search Folders. You can see here on the top my sample library, the same folder that I have over here. So to add your own folder, the only thing you have to do is press the folder icon over here. You can see this window pop up. You just navigate to your own sample library. Mine is on my desktop, so here you can see it, sample library. You just press OK, and here it is. Here on the left side you can see sample library. You can press it, I can press the melody, and I can play the melody. So to get your sample library to the top of the list over here, you just add a number like I did, or you could even start the name of the folder that you're importing with, for an example, a sample library. Then it would go to the top of the alphabet and be shown up here. So that's how you import your own samples into the FL Studio. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you liked the video. Check out my other tutorials here on the channel, and I'll see you next time.